Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about linearization. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to find the value of y when x equals to negative b over 4. So this one we have the square root of number 2. Next, we need to do first derivative of this one. And we have secant of x of tan x. Next, we have L equals to first derivative of y at x equals to negative b over 4. And we have x minus negative b over 4. So we have positive b over 4. And we have the value of y. So we put this one gone here. Now, I will put negative b over 4 gone here and here. So we have the answer for this one. That is about negative with the square root of number 2. Now, I will put this one multiplied by s and b over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.